Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. I found this old crusty looking window for $5 and just knew I had to have it. I sprayed the window panes with awesome cleaner and started removing the caulk and glazing. I wanted to get the window panes out so I could sand everything down. I used a small box knife that I think I got at Home Depot. I worked my way around each frame until I was able to lift it out. And let me tell you, this is what took the longest amount of time. The caulking came up easy enough, but in the places where there was glazing, it was tough. But eventually I got it all removed. I took the frame outside and started sanding it and removing all the flakes of paint from it. I brought it back inside and began painting. I didn't really want to change the look of the window too much, so I used Waverly plaster, silver linings, elephant, and antiquing wax. I placed a small amount of each color in a bowl and used a chip brush. I used the dry brush method and lightly painted the window. The middle pieces of the frame were a little loose, so I just added some hot glue in the corners to hold it. I first tried removing the letters with the awesome cleaner, but that just wasn't working. I had some spray goo remover. I sprayed it on the window panes and used a kitchen scrubber to remove the letters from the panes. I sprayed it on each of the panes and let it sit for a few minutes. That actually made removing the letters a lot easier. I decided to try the goo remover on the caulking also. It made the caulking come up easy too. I had one pane that broke when I removed it. So all I did was tape it back together because I was going to spray paint the glass anyway. I had this piece of scrap wood in my wood pile and decided to use it for a shelf at the bottom of the window frame. I sanded it and used the Waverly plaster chalk paint and a chip brush to paint it. I wasn't worried about an even coverage because I wanted the shelf to match the window. I used the same colors I had used on the window frame to antique the shelf also. To attach the shelf to the window frame, I used 3 L-shaped brackets. I drilled pilot holes in the window and the shelf so the wood wouldn't split. I know the angle is terrible, but I had my camera raised as high as the tripod would allow and still couldn't get it in frame. I also added 2 sawtooth hangers to the back of the window so I could hang it up on the wall. I did all this while the window panes dried. Like I said, I had taken them outside and I sprayed a light coat of hammered metal paint on them. And then reinserted them into the window panes and simply used hot glue to hold them in place. I absolutely love how this window turned out. It's better than what I expected. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!